In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go incognito mode in Google Chrome in just a few seconds. This is a simple but super useful feature if you want to browse privately on your device, keep your search activity separate from your normal browsing, or open a fresh session without saved history, cookies, or form data from your regular Chrome window. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, your Start menu, or wherever you normally launch your browser from. Once Chrome is open, make sure you are on the main browser window. Now look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. This is the main Chrome menu where you can access several browser options and settings. Click on those three dots to open the menu. After the menu opens, look for the option that says New Incognito Window. Depending on your browser version, it may appear a little lower in the list, but it will still be easy to find. Click on New Incognito Window, and Chrome will instantly open a brand new private browsing window. You'll know you're in incognito mode because the window will have a darker theme and usually show the incognito icon, which looks like a hat and glasses. From here, you can browse privately in that window. Just keep in mind that incognito mode does not make you invisible online, and it does not hide your activity from websites, employers, schools, or your internet provider. What it does do is stop Chrome from saving your browsing history, cookies, and site data on your device after you close the window. That's really all there is to it. Open Google Chrome, click the three dots, choose New Incognito Window, and you're ready to browse privately. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.